Class 11. Now miscellaneous exercise on solving of inequalities. So you see this first inequality given to you, that is 2 is smaller than equal to 3x minus 4, which is smaller than equal to 5. Okay, so this is actually better. Yes, simultaneous. There are two inequalities. See, if you remove this portion, you have to see this as two inequalities. One would be 2 smaller than 3x minus 4. Other one would be this way. 3x minus 4 is smaller than 5. Okay, so this is actually a system of inequality. It is not a single inequality, but these are two merged together. All right, so if this is the case, then you can solve it together also. At times maybe you need to separate them, left hand side and then right hand side, and then solve it and then merge the two solutions. Okay, that those type of questions we'll deal with later. Right now, if it is given in this form, we can solve it straight away in one go, both the inequalities, or we can find the range of x for this. Okay, so if we have to solve this, naturally working is the same. We have to release our x. तो x के साथ जो है ये सब हमें हटाना है. तो ये -4 हटाने के लिए we need to +4, so that -4 and +4 gets cancelled. So we'll say adding 4 to either side. So be it on the first inequality this way, or maybe in the second this side. So we'll add for all the three numbers given here. So this will become 2 plus 4, that's 6, and here 5 plus 4, which becomes 9. Here -4 plus 4 cancels to give you only 3x left in between. Next, to find range of x was our question actually. So we need to remove this 3 as well. So we will have to now further divide by 3. If I divide this inequality by 3, then I end up getting x here, right? So dividing again all the sides by 3, dividing throughout by 3. So 6 divided by 3, that becomes 2. 9 by 3, that is 3, and then you get x. So here is your solution. That is what we had to find, कि x कहाँ fall कर रहा है. ओके, तो अगर ये इंडिविजुअली आप करते तो एक आपका ये सोल्यूशन होता, फिर ये, फिर आप उसे मर्ज करते. बट येस, इफ इट वाज गिवन लाइक दिस, यू कैन सॉल्व इट टुगेदर, एंड नाउ वी कैन सी दैट दिस विल बी आवर सोल्यूशन. एक्स विल बी फ्रॉम 2 to 3, which in interval form we can write like this. Closed interval, because equal to sign was there. So the solution for this inequality is this closed interval 2, 3. Next is this. So again, if I have to find x from here, means again I need to remove all that is multiplied, added to x here. So we'll first thing do is divide by -3. Okay, it's up to you. This has been done stepwise, first by 3 and then the negative sign has been removed. You can do it in one go only. Dividing throughout by -3. So एक तो आप माइनस से कर रहे हो तो sign of inequality reverse हो जाएगा. This was smaller than equal to will become greater than, and 6 upon -3 will give you -2. 12 upon -3 will give you -4. Sign of inequality यहाँ पे reverse हो गया. See, and you'll be left with 2x minus 4. Okay, so first thing was dividing throughout by, जैसे equation solve होते हैं बेटा, exactly same thing. बस आपको उतना ही याद रखना है कि when it is operation is with negative, then sign of inequality reverse करने का ध्यान रखना है. That's it. Next, 4 -4 हटाना है तो we'll have to add 4 on all the sides. So +4 -2 gives you 2 here, and +4, this becomes 0, and here you are left with 2x. Then further you'll divide by 2 now. So here is your solution. So this was 0 is not to be included, so this should have been a round bracket out here. Okay, because यहाँ पे equal to sign नहीं है. Maybe in the books this yes, it is like that only. So 0 will, this side will be a round bracket. There's this mistake, children, and 1 will be included, so this would be a square bracket. Okay, so that would be a solution set for this set of inequalities. That's your third one. Then obviously आप सबसे पहले 4 हटाओगे, so -4 for the balance. So this becomes -3 -4, that's -7. 18 -4, that becomes 14. Next again ये minus है देखो, so you can do it in one step also straight away. You can multiply throughout by minus of 2 upon 7. ये 2 हटाने के लिए 2 multiply होगा, 7 हटाने के लिए 7 से divide होगा. So and minus sign भी हटाना है of course. So multiply throughout by -2 by 7. So minus minus makes this positive. 7 cancel हो गया, so only 2 remains. You'll come through this step straight away. And क्योंकि आप माइनस से कर रहे थे, साइन ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी रिवर्स कर दोगे. एंड दिस ऑल्सो, सो अगर ये 2 अपॉन -7 जा रहा है, सो 7 2s are, so that becomes 14, -14, minus sign was also there. Sorry, -4. Okay, so you'll come to this step straight away. So that's your solution. And of course पहले हमारे negative numbers आते हैं, smaller पहले आता है. We know as we move to the right side the value increases, तो हमेशा छोटा वाला is written first or on the left hand side. So they have just reversed this out here. This will be written as x is greater than equal to -4 but smaller than equal to 2. The solution set will be written as दोनों जगह equal to था तो rectangular bracket to show closed interval. That's your solution. You can see the fourth one also similarly, children. Now I think by now you've understood what has to be done. So ये 5 हटाने के लिए multiplying throughout by 5. So 15, 5, so minus 15 into 5 हो जाएगा. That will become minus 75. 0 into anything remains as 0 only. Then next would be a 2 हटाना. So for that plus 2 करना पड़ेगा. So for that this will become minus 23. This will become 0 plus 2, 2. And this was not equal to out here. So this will be a round bracket and this will be a square or rectangular bracket here. Hence your solution. Now see 7th onwards now children, this time they have given different inequalities. तो अभी तक 6 तक में तो एक ही inequality में system पूरा merged था. Okay, left hand side, right hand side, we could have written that together because the expression in between was same. Now this time they have written the inequalities separately. One inequality is this, the other is this. तो आप दोनों को individually solve करोगे and then we will look for the common solution points which are satisfying this as well as this, which can easily be done through graph. Okay, later on आप उसको वो mentally भी orally भी कर सकते हो, but initially graphically करके things will become more clear to you. And as it is in the question they have said that you have to do it graphically. Okay, and future also if it is mentioned graphically you have to do it graphically, and if it is just solve it and you can understand mentally, well and good. If you are confused then you can plot the graph number line for both the inequalities and then see जिसमें double shading आएगी दोनों को satisfy कर होगा वो आपका common solution या solution for this system of inequalities हो जाएगा, right? Okay, so this is how we'll go about it. We'll pick up the first inequality which was 5x plus 1 is greater than minus 24. So we know 1 हटेगा minus 1 करा जाएगा. So this will become minus 25 and then further we'll divide it by 5. So x is greater than minus 5, right? One solution. You can plot it out here on the number line also. Like here, this way we'll show the number line and then we'll say all x greater than minus 5. So we'll choose minus 5 and x greater than minus 5 means this portion would be shaded throughout. Okay, from here to here, this way whole it will go. And then next we would say next inequality was 5x minus 1 is smaller than 24. So plus 1 karoge, so this will become 25 and dividing by 5 x would be smaller than 5. So we'll come to x is 5 not included neither minus 5 क्योंकि equal to sign नहीं था. Okay, so that we have seen earlier only. So this time the shading will be smaller means this way. Okay, तो ये shading first shading आपकी गई पूरी from -5 to infinity. Next आपका गया from 5 to minus infinity and the common portion is from -5 to 5 this way. Okay, so your final solution would be this is your solution. See they have merged it. X is greater than -5 and smaller than +5. तो देख के भी merge कर सकते हो यहाँ से and graph के through और clear हो जाता है, right? See same way for the 8th question. First inequality given to you was 2 into x minus 1 is smaller than x plus 5. So simple again, obviously we distribute that inside. So this becomes 2x minus 2 smaller than x plus 5. Now taking all x one side, 2x minus x and 5 plus 2. So we get x is smaller than 7. One part. The other inequality was this, distributing 3x, 6 and x minus 2, then taking x here, that becomes 4x and 2 minus 6 which is minus 4, dividing by 4, x is greater than minus 1. Okay, so just visualize. So all for the first one, x is smaller than 7. So we pick up 7 and this is my region, x is small. Here the shading would go like this for first inequality. For the second, greater than minus 1, so we'll go this way. So this portion is the portion which is satisfying both. Okay, it is smaller than 7 but greater than minus 1. So our solution set is from -1 to 7 this way. Okay, the 9th one, children. Okay, all of you know how to solve it, so I'm not going to solving. I'm just going to discuss the simultaneous or common solution. Okay, so from the first inequality we have got x is greater than -5, the other one is giving you x is greater than 5. अभी देखो, अभी तक जो थे उसमें कहीं स्मॉलर का रेंज आ रहा था, कहीं ग्रेटर, इसमें दोनों ग्रेटर आए हैं, बट नो प्रॉब्लम. फॉर दिस x is greater than -5, we choose on our number line -5 somewhere here. So x is greater than -5 would be this whole solution. I don't know why they haven't shown it properly. Anyways, you can just see, just visualize कि यहाँ पे कहीं -5 है, तो all x greater than -5 would be from -5 to the right of it. For the other one, x is greater than 5, so from 5 to right of it. तो पहली शेडिंग हुई आपकी पूरी यहाँ से यहाँ तक, फिर आई यहाँ से यहाँ तक. तो कॉमन कौन सा आ रहा है? कॉमन आ रहा है ये पूरा रीजन above 5. Okay, so any x which is greater than 5 is definitely greater than -5, and then this is not a bounded set again. Okay, ये infinite set है, देखो आपका it's going up to infinity. So your final solution would be from 5 to infinity. कि इसमें दोनों शेडिंग आ गई हैं. ये पहले वाले का पोर्शन था कॉमन अप टू इन्फिनिटी, दिस अप टू इन्फिनिटी, सो कॉमन इज फ्रॉम दिस. तो ये इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ बोथ आ गया 5 to infinity, राइट.